Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing. I got something else from the Louis Vuitton Christmas Animation 2020 collection, and it just got delivered just yesterday or the day before, so I'm really excited to unbox this. I had a good time unboxing the first two items. I really enjoyed it. I think they are really cute pieces, and I managed to get one more piece just a few days after, so it was kind of delayed because I think they didn't have it in stock, but they had to fulfill my order. So I saw that it was coming all the way from LA, so it took quite some time, but anyway, I am glad that this item is finally here, and I wanted to unbox with you guys to see how it is. So if you're interested in this, do stay tuned. Right, so let's get on to the unboxing. I've already opened the top part because I don't want my details to be seen, so let's just go ahead and do it. So it just comes in the usual box, and can you guess what I got this time? Okay. Inside is just a box of the SLG. Yes, it is a small leather good, and I don't see any ribbon or card, and it just has the envelope for the receipt. Let me just check if everything is in order. Yeah, I have the receipt, information about the exchanges, and that's about it. I mentioned in my previous video that I did not get a return label for most. Yeah, I think for all the items that I got online, I did not get a return label, so I'm not too sure what's up with that. But anyway, let's get to the item itself. There we go. Oh, it's nicely packed. Although there's no ribbon and card, it's fine, but it is nicely packed. Can you guess what it is? Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so pretty. Okay. So I managed to get another mini pochette accessoire, but this time I got it in the Monogram canvas, and it has a different print. So the other print, let me show you. The other print that I got is this one in the, I always say carousel, but it's actually the Ferris wheel, but this one is in the roller coaster print, which is so cute. It is so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, let me just compare. Both are so pretty. Look at that. This is so cute. Oh my god, and look at the pink. So this one comes with a fuchsia. I can't remember. Yeah, I think it's called fuchsia. So it's the fuchsia lining, and let me show you the inside. Oh my god, look at the interior of the mini pochette accessoire. The pink is so rich and so beautiful. So inside it also comes with the tag and the card. This is made in France. Wow, it's so beautiful. I just feel that I'm not too sure if you can see this, but the detailing on this pouch is so gorgeous. There's like basically there's like 3 trunks, which is made to be like the roller coaster, and Vivienne this time has dark pink petals, and she's so pretty, and she's on the trunks, and the trunks has tiny LV logos on it, so it's really so cute. And you have the tiny lights on the Louis Vuitton. The only thing that I don't quite like about this is I think the yellow is a bit, I mean the color is a bit too outstanding as compared to the rest of the design. So on first glance, when I look at it, I see a lot of yellow. Yellow is not really my favorite color. I don't really like it, but yeah, I think, but overall I think it's okay. The trunk itself is not that obvious because I think against the Monogram background, it tends to blend in, but I suppose it's still okay. But I'm so happy I managed to get this. Oh my god. I somehow managed to be lucky, I suppose, because I got those first two items, and then I think about a day later or so I managed to see this online somehow. I wasn't really stalking it because I already got two, so I thought, you know, I'm just gonna see what's available and so on. And then I saw this was add to cart, so I didn't really think about it because this was not a priority item that I wanted, but I do know that I wanted a mini pochette accessoire in Monogram canvas. And yeah, and this is beautiful, and I saw the pink interior. I felt that I have to get it. Yeah, so I promise not to buy anything else anymore, so for now. But yeah, this is so beautiful. Let me just show you there's not much comparison except for the fact that the interior colors are different, and I've been using this one. It's so beautiful. So the one in the Damier Ebene it has the rose ballerine lining, but this one is in the fuchsia lining. Yeah, but I love this fuchsia color. I think the tab color is so gorgeous. It is such a rich pink fuchsia color, and it goes so well on against the Monogram canvas. Oh, I love it. Oh guys, it's so pretty. Yeah. Okay, let me just look for the date code. Let's see if the date code is from the front. It's this side, so let me look at it. I can't really see it. Oh, this is bad. I can't see it, but the date code says SP3210. So yeah, it's made in the 31st week of 2020, so I suppose that's about the same time that the other one was made. But I am so happy. It is so gorgeous, and the sound, can you hear the sound? My mic's here. It is so pretty. Oh. So yeah, that's about it. I love it. I think the yellow is growing on me, so I think I'm gonna keep it. Of course, I still have a chance to return it if I wanted to, but I think having both canvases as a mini pochette accessoire is just so, yeah, it's really pretty. And I just love the fact that both of them have animations on it, so making it extra special. I have been using this one like a lot, even though, you know, it's I don't carry it out, as in I don't carry it on its own, but I do carry it as a pouch, so I do put all my things inside. I suppose having two, I could alternate it, or alternate between the two, or yeah, or use both at the same time. I have no idea. I'm still so excited about all these things. Oh, okay, so I suppose the measurements are still the same, so I'm just gonna put the measurements down. I can't remember them offhand. And it also comes in this chain, which you can detach on one side, and you can just use it as a wristlet, attach it this side. So it has a zippered closure here, and it has a tab over here, which is coated, and I don't have to worry about, you know, the vachetta getting ruined or getting watermarks and whatnot. So yeah, it's lovely. I love it. It's so pretty. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you have any questions about this, or anything else on my channel, do please, you know, leave a comment or the question down below, and I'll get right to it. I do also have an Instagram account, which I usually post photos of the items that I own. It's just something which I started doing because of lockdown. You know, I just wanted to have something to take my mind off things sometimes. So I hope you guys will stay safe and do take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.